This morning, Puppy will clean the street.
Go, go, go!
Wow! My friends are having so much fun, and I want to play too.
But I have to finish the job first. Yes!
Wow!
Oh, whose wallet is this? I have to give it back to the owner. Let's go. I found your wallet.
You're so good, so honest.
Let's give them back. Let's go.
Hello.
Oh, your wallet!
Whoa, whoa!
Thank you. Here's your reward.
Thank you, sir. This is what I should do.
How about inviting me to dinner as a thank you?
Yummy! It's so delicious, Uncle. Yummy!
Here's a little car for you.